One of the best parts of my trip was the fact that I got to travel with a group of amazing American students who were our leaders on the trip. And here are four of those students talking about what they saw that made them want to do something about climate change.
What I saw on the trip was a whole lot. I saw a whole lot of people being affected by climate change, either by flood or by disease or by like unsanitary water. You hear about it through a source, but when I got there, I actually saw it and experienced it firsthand.
While in Bangladesh, going to the chars is actually what impacted me the most and my thoughts about how I like to change climate change, because I was able to see how innocent people who have a carbon footprint of 0 are being so highly affected by climate change.
So one thing that I saw on the trip that made me want to mitigate or adapt to climate change was how people who don't even contribute to climate change really, or have a chance to contribute to climate change, they're affected the most. So we're here driving around in all our cars and creating so much CO2, and these people, like, they walk everywhere, they don't have cars, they don't create any CO2, but yet all these natural disasters keep hitting them, and since they're poor, they can't afford to do anything about it. So I thought it was just really messed up how that worked out.
One thing I saw on the trip that really made me want to adapt to climate change was seeing all of the people being affected by it, yet them being the people that contribute the least to climate change. So, for example, when we went to go to the Chores, which are the islands that get flooded very frequently due to rising sea levels, just noticing and seeing how little they consume, how little they contribute to climate change, yet they're being affected the most.